Welcome to the demonstration video for Dataescher HexEditor. Today, we'll showcase how Dataescher HexEditor is a powerful tool tailored specifically for firmware developers. Whether you're dealing with Intel Hex, Motorola Hex, or ELF files, HexEditor enhances your workflow and serves as an indispensable resource. Let's start by looking at a typical Intel Hex file opened in a standard text editor like Notepad. As you can see, even for experienced engineers, it's difficult to navigate or make sense of the data. Opening the same file in Dataescher HexEditor, immediately you'll notice how intuitive the interface is. On the left, the Memory Regions panel lists all discontinuous memory regions with their start and end addresses. A double click on a memory region will take you to its location in the data file. Dataescher HexEditor provides full control over data manipulation. You can type new data directly into the editor, delete sections you don't need, or copy and paste regions of data, even including undefined regions, to any address location. These functions allow you to edit your firmware quickly and efficiently. To put the icing on the cake, HexEditor also features an unlimited undo history. After making edits, saving the file is just as easy. You can overwrite the original or save it in a different format like Motorola Hex or plain binary. The flexibility to switch formats makes Dataescher a powerful tool for managing your firmware files. Dataescher HexEditor also supports ELF files, enabling you to load program sections and convert them into any hex format you need. This feature ensures compatibility across a wide range of firmware development tasks. In addition to its editing capabilities, Dataescher HexEditor includes built-in error checking. If your file contains issues like incorrect checksums, the software generates a detailed report so you can troubleshoot and correct errors fast. Designed for efficiency, the software is optimized to handle large files with ease. The adaptive scroll bar and intuitive memory region display make navigating even massive files quick and effortless. You'll especially appreciate the smooth scrolling when operating your wheel mouse. With a sleek user interface, comprehensive format support, and powerful editing tools, Dataescher HexEditor is more than just another hex editor. It's a specialized tool designed to enhance your firmware development workflow. Experience a new level of efficiency with Dataescher HexEditor. Download and try it today.